Okay, we are going to be making a Tinder Box today, which is a compact, pretty much fire starter kit, and we are going to be using a Altoids tin or a tin like it in the same diameter and everything. Some steel wool, a candle, a magnesium fire starter with the striker off of its chain if it has one, lint, dryer lint, string, strike anywhere matches, but if you have the striker part of the matchbox, you can use those if you could figure out how to use it. A P32, which is a can opener, pretty much. 2 beeswax fire starters. I use these, you don't have to. And a blow tube. It is pretty much 3.5 inches enclosed and 19 extended. So this will fit snugly into there. This would probably be the biggest piece. So starting with it, we are going to put the magnesium striker into its striker and put it on one side. Then we're going to put the blow tube in here also. You kind of have to take it and put it at an angle to get it in here. Then we're going to put we're going to take our P32 and stick it in here. Get all your flat stuff in there first, then your candle. Then arrange all your matches in there as best as you could. Get it as flat as you can. So. Okay. Then put your string in there. You can fold it, and the reason why we use string is you can fray it out and it will burn really good. So we're going to stick the string into one of the side places. Steel wool, you can spread it apart, and it's very flammable. It can heat up very quickly, and it can last a long time. So we're going to put it right there. Then with the beeswax things, we're going to put both of them right in the middle of this. So, and now with the lint, we're going to take and stuff it into the excess places that you can, and also the top if you're able to. And then that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in other videos, check my other videos on my channel. Bye. And also like and subscribe. Thank you.